What's up? It's me, Cuban Collect, back with another video. So today I'll be solving this 9x9 Rubik's Cube. I tried to find out how to do a live stream. I knew you had to have 1,000 subscribers to do it, so I kept on checking all the other apps to try and do it, but I just couldn't do it. I tried my best, but I just can't. So yeah, maybe I'll do a live stream in the future, but for now I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me solving this cube. Let's see how it goes. Hey you guys, after a couple days of working on this cube, I'm on my final algorithm, which is a T-perm. So let's get started. I solved it. I solved the 9x9, guys. I did it. Okay, that's gonna be all for this video. Sorry that I haven't been posting. I'll try to post, except I'm going to be in Frisco for today and tomorrow. Or I come back tomorrow, but still. So, yeah, I'll try and post, but if I can't, I'm sorry. And I hope that solving this makes up for it. So, yeah, bye.